everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be replacing these lights. Look how dark it is in here. I got lines on the camera because the dark spots, I don't know if you could see that, like right there. You see that line? So we were looking online at some lighting that are out there, garage lights. But I found these at Home Depot. Decided to get 4 of them, 18,000 lumens. It should brighten things up.
They were bright in Home Depot, so they were the brightest ones. Yeah,
they're 2 feet long each. So I'm thinking we're gonna put one right over here above the toolboxes.
Just space them out.
We'll space them out evenly. And then the other one we'll put over here. And then we can always add to them on the other side of this bulkhead. We can add some down the road, but we need to brighten things up in here. It's got mounted hardware.
Yeah, but I think they might just be the cables.
Open it up, see what's in there. And in the bag, I got some of these. I love these anchors, these drywall anchors. Each one holds up to 50 pounds. I use them everywhere around the house when I'm hanging something. Some wire, some clips to hold the wire to the ceiling. It came with wire nuts, but I bought some too. And some electrical tape. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ballast off of this. We're gonna hang the ballast up first, and then we will put the actual light onto that. So while Evan's doing that, I am going to kill the power in here. The lights, at least. My glasses on. What we got here? Garage. Where is it at? I don't want to kill the inside. This is family room. Kitchen circuit. You think it's on kitchen circuit? He's gonna start screaming if I kill the Xbox off. Uh-oh. I think I killed the Xbox. What happened?
You just turned off my Xbox!
I'm sorry.
Well, we sunk!
Well, you sunk anyway. Let's take the bulbs out first.
Can't even see.
Huh?
Can't even see.
You can't?
Barely.
So we could just remove this completely, and I'm going to install that light right over top of this box.
Look how dirty that is.
God, I gotta move the ladder. All right, so what do we decide? We're gonna put them this way or this way?
I think we should put them sideways.
This way?
Yeah.
So now we got this wire that's going to go to the other light. We'll feed this through. And no, I am not an electrician. So Evan's putting the staples in to hold the wire up to the ceiling, and then we'll just paint it the same color as the ceiling. I have some leftover paint, and we'll just paint it to match. Moment of truth. Gonna take the paper on him. There we go. Holy cow!
That's bright.
Wow, that is bright. Look, we're definitely gonna need one over there.
Yeah.
To brighten that up. What a difference. Look how bright that wall is. Once the other two go up on this side, Oh my God, it's gonna be so bright. Let's get that done and then we'll show you the completed 4-light difference. And we're all done. So much brighter in here. I think we're gonna need to add 2 more over here.
Yeah.
Definitely. So let us know what you guys think. If we can find the lights online, we'll put a link in the description below for them. But that will do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video.